good morning, good morning. This is again Mars Official with you. My today's vlog is about my gift that I received last Christmas and New Year. So, hopefully everybody got same blessings or more than. And the most important thing is we are all healthy. And our New Year's passed with joyful and happiness with our friends and family. So, this is now my gift sa travelers. Actually, I'm so blessed because I received some gift from my family and from my friends. So first, I would like to share with you about the case of my phone. Yes, see. This is the first case phone that I received. And then, it's so simple but I like it. Yes. So yan ka-travelers. And of course, I do receive also a portable wireless speaker, which is helpful for my outside life if I'm going to use my phones, so I can connect this because this is a Bluetooth one. And I'm happy because I received the red color. So this is the charger wire, but you know the plug, I have to connect it with another plug because this is only included. So this is my second gift, the travelers. This is from my family. So, the travelers. Masaya ako sa mga gift na na-receive ko kasi mostly are, you know, can use in my YT. So, ayan, travelers. This is my second gift. And I have also, wait, I'm going to fix this now. So this is it, the travelers. I also have my iPod. This one, the travelers. This is from, there's the box on it. Yeah. So this one, travelers, is complete. I have the application scenarios. It's like screen. This is the handle of phones. I can put it here, you know. And this is the lid light. And the most good here, the travelers, there's a microphone to be connected to the cell phone if I'm going to do my blog or my videos. So this is handy. Yeah. See? It can be also go for sand. So we can put it like that in the table. And here is the microphone there. So let me check in the box. Screw hot shoe. Yan. 3.5mm microphone socket. Ayan. Ito yung 3.5mm microphone socket. Yan. Ito siya. So, finix na namin to kanina. So, nakita ko na ng buo. So, ayan ka, travelers. And also, we have lead 49 reactor. Yes. Ito yung lead niya. And then, mayroon din tayong top interface. Sabi yan. Ito yung screw nung ano sa loob. But ito yung top interface na tinatawag dito. And then, may screw din siya dito sa travelers inside. So, yan. You can, if you want to buy, I mean, if you can find it in the market, you can also see the screw, 1/4 size of screw, and also 2. This one, they're calling screw shoe. Yan. Yan, yung in the middle of this. Yan, nandiyan yung screw shoe. Yan yung tawag nila. And of course, the traveler is one hand grip. It's one hand grip. Diba? So, useful din ito sa pagbablog ko or paggawa ng video or doing live also. I can do it. And also, the most good for this is it can be stable. Yan. So, mayroon din siyang connection. So, ayan ka travelers. So, this is it. So, ayan. Medyo, ang tawag dito is bulol na. Video making kit. Yan. Yan ang video making kit ka travelers. Okay. So, kung my friends and, you know, if you wanna make alone videos, yan yung ano. So, yan ka travelers. So, this is it. So, this is the third gift that I received ka travelers. And of course, I also have a bag. Yan. Nakatanggap din tayo ng bag travelers. So, kung mamasyal lang siya, kung mamamasyal lang ako, pwede kong lagyan ng aking phones. Yan. This is a black color and CD. The brand of this bag is like CD bag. May small packet sa loob. So, yan po travelers. Ito pa siya. So, ayan, travelers. And also, I received some clothing. Ayan, naka-receive ako ng jacket. Ito naman ay galing sa aking friend. Ayan, laki na. So, jacket. It's Max. Ayan, Max jacket. Ayan, it's Max. So, ayan. Naka-receive din ako ng clothing. So, meron din sa travelers akong na-receive na bottle jug. Ayan sa travelers. Ano siya? Hindi siya plastic. It's like silicone. So, it's a product of South Korea. So, ayan sa travelers. So, na-receive ko. And, I also have this let me show you. This jogger. Yan. And jogger siya sa travelers. And one t-shirt with matching t-shirts. It's a color pink t-shirt. And it's a purple. Purple yan. Purple yan. It's a purple. Ayan, travelers. And you know what? You know what that was? The message. You see? Let's see that here. Believe in yourself. Ayan, aking na-receive ka travelers. At hindi po nagtatapos dyan. May another. Kahapon, may nagpahabol din sa akin ito. Ayan. It's also a speaker. A wireless speaker and with phone stand. Ayan. It's from the Action. Na-receive ko ito kahapon sa travelers. So, let me show you how it does. So, meron din connector. Ito yung sa charger. So, yan. It's a speaker to travelers. Maganda siya. Pwede din siya ditong stand ng phone. So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kasi meron akong isang one phone. Yan yung, speaker siya with stand phone. Pwede mong ihang. Pwede mong dalhin sa ilagay mo sa bag. And I have also and ka-travelers, alam mo, meron pa akong isang na-receive na ay phone case. Similar lang dun sa isa, pero ito kasi is for ito is sa aking Oppo, and this one is for my another phone, pero similar lang siya. Iba lang yung kulay niya at saka iba yung design niya dito. So ito yung na-receive ko na 2 cases na phone, and you know, ka-travelers, I have one very nice gift I've received that I can really use it, and I'm happy for what I received, ka-travelers. So ayan, naka-receive po ako ng G65G Nokia. So ayan, ka-travelers, ano to, sustainably crafted, stay up to date ng 3 years of OIS upgrade. So meaning every year mag-upgrade siya automatically within 3 years ng OIS. Tapos meron din siyang 3 years of monthly security update. So safe na safe siya talaga sa travelers. And ang next level performance niya is my Snapdragon. Yan. Advanced camera with our best technologies with 50MP main camera, and then 50MP super resolution. Yan. So yun ka, travelers. So let's open it. Oh, bye-bye. Yes. So this is my best friend. Yeah. So let us see the travelers. So ayan yung phone. It's color black with 3 cameras. Ayan. Pinalagyan na din po ito ng screen protector. It's a glass screen protector, and also we have, of course, what we do have here. Ayan, ito po yung manual niya. Ayan. Yung manuals, everything. Ano to, English. Ito yung product and safety information. Yan, makikita natin dito lahat. Ito naman, how to start the gadgets. Yan, yung mga information, mga partial parts. Yan, dito makikita. Yan, ito yung manual niya. So, yung travelers. Ito yung English niya, and ito yung Arabic language. So, and ang pinakamaganda nito, ka-travelers, this is Finland made. Ayan. So sa Finland siya galing. Okay. So what we've got here now, this is the what you call, plug. Nakalimutan. Ito yung plug niya, ka-travelers, and then andito yung wire. So, what else? Ito naman yung headset. May headset siya, ka-travelers, dito. Yung headset niya. So, ayan, ka-travelers. I-share ko sa inyo ang function nito. Ayan, medyo mahirap ipalita. So, ito naman yung wire niya. So, ayan. Ayan. So, ayan mga ka-travelers. Lagay ko ulit siya sa box. Oh, nalaglag pa. Saglit lang ang travelers, nalaglag. So yan, ilagay lang natin ulit sa box. And then, I am going to share with you what is the function of the cell phone. So, as I said, travelers, itong isang case na to is for this. Yan. Pick natin siya. Yan, travelers. So, i-on na natin siya, travelers. Yan. Android. So, ito ay Nokia. Nokia G60. So, yan ka-travelers. Madali siya na mabilis siyang i-swipe. Yan. Mabilis lang talaga nakaswipe. Yan ka-travelers. Complete na siya dyan. Hindi makita. It's against the light. So, yan. Kompleto siya dito ka-travelers. Lahat ng problem na dito. Yan. Hindi siya makita. Yun. Kompleto na siya. Travelers. Yan. Complete na. Yan. Yan ka-travelers. And alam nyo ka-travelers, yung camera niya, ayan. Yung camera. Okay, ayan. Ang dinaw-linaw na ka-travelers. It's so nice camera. And then, you know what, ka-travelers? Meron itong, meron itong maraming options. And then, may dual sight siya, ka-travelers. Ayan. Yan yung dual sight niya. Diba? So, magagamit ko talaga to ng sobra sa aking pag-YouTube kasi may dual sight. Dual sight. Ang tawag ay dual sight. Ayan, ka-travelers. See? Maganda siya, ka-travelers. So, yan yung maganda dito, ka-travelers. Ang aking dual sight. So, ayan ka-travelers, yan yung aking mga gift na na-receive from Christmas and New Year. So, ini-off ko na siya ka-travelers kasi yan, off muna natin siya. So, ayan ka-travelers, I'm so thankful and blessed because I received all this, not only this, still I am healthy, although I got sick for almost 2 weeks. So, on the day of Christmas, I'm so sick, my voice gone, at saka I got high fever. So, hindi ako masyado nakapag-celebrate actually ng Christmas and New Year ko kasi may sakit na ako that period. So, ang voice ko, bumalik lang siya last 2 days kasi talaga sobra na maos ako and I cannot I cannot enjoy that much. Kasi hindi talaga maganda yung feelings ko, but still I got all this gift from my family and from my friends and I'm so thankful and I'm also blessed kasi gumaling na ako, although it's really hard. So, okay na rin ako ka-traveler. So, thank you so much for everyone. At lalong-lalo na yung nagbigay sa akin ng gift, mga friends, at saka na aking family. Thank you so very much. So, this is the end of my video of today. And I hope you enjoy watching. And I just shared my happiness for what I've got. All the blessings, you know. Thank you so much. And my 2023 year is gone, but it's okay. Struggle, problems come and goes, but still we are lucky because we have another year to enjoy. Thank you so much for travelers. Bye bye for now.